Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin was on Tuesday recommended by an expert panel for phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trial on those aged between 2 to 18 years old, official sources said. The trial will take place in 525 subjects at various sites, including AIIMS Delhi, AIIMS Patna, and Meditrina Institute of Medical Sciences, Nagpur. The Subject Expert Committee on COVID-19 of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization on Tuesday deliberated upon Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech's application seeking permission to conduct Phase 2 and Phase 3 clinical trials to evaluate the safety, rectogenicity and immunogenicity of Covaxin jabs in children aged 2 to 18 years old. India's daily COVID death count hit a new grim record with more than 4,200 deaths in the last 24 hours. More than 3,48,000 fresh cases have also been added to the active caseload amid the battle against second wave, which has raised global concern. Nearly 30 lakh infections have been recorded by the country since May 5th. India's total death count passed 2.5 lakh mark this morning, Health Ministry data showed. The fresh surge takes active cases to more than 37 lakh. Overall cases rose to more than 2.33 crore. The positivity rate stood at 17.56%. In the last 24 hours, more than 19 lakh samples were tested, the most in a day since the pandemic broke. As per the government data, more than 24,46,000 vaccine doses were administered in a new record since India began the world's largest vaccine drive on January 16th. The Election Commission, the higher courts and the government failed to fathom the disastrous consequences of permitting elections in few states and the Panchayat election in Uttar Pradesh, the Allahabad High Court has said. A single-judge bench of Justice Siddharth Verma made the observations on Monday while granting protection from arrest on special grounds till January 2022 to a builder based in Ghaziabad near Delhi. A case had been filed against the builder by Uttar Pradesh police over an alleged property possession default. The order also listed out what the special grounds were, saying that the apprehension of death on account of reasons like the present pandemic of novel coronavirus can certainly be held to be a ground for grant of anticipatory bail to an accused. A Keralite woman working in Israel was killed allegedly in a Palestinian rocket strike on Tuesday, her family members said here. They said that the rocket fell on residence of 31-year-old Soumya in the city of Ashkelon while she was talking to her husband Santosh, who is in Kerala, over a video call in the evening. My brother heard a huge sound during the video call. Suddenly, the phone got disconnected. Then we immediately contacted fellow Malayalis working there. Thus, we came to know about the incident. This is what Santosh's brother Saji told PTI. Soumya, hailing from Kiritodu in Idukki district, had been working as a housemaid in Israel for the last 7 years, her relatives said. There is no official confirmation about the incident so far. Palestinian militants fired a barrage of rockets at Israel's economic hub Tel Aviv on Tuesday in retaliation for an Israeli strike that destroyed a tower block in Gaza as the foes traded their heaviest fire for several years. The sharp escalation triggered by violence in Jerusalem has killed at least 32 Palestinians in the blockaded Gaza Strip and 3 Israelis and wounded hundreds more. This is just the beginning of Israel's strike. This is what Minister warned. In the crowded Israeli blockaded enclave of Gaza that Hamas controls, 10 children and 1 woman were among those killed since Monday night. A further 220 people were reported wounded from the ongoing Israeli airstrikes, many rescued from the smoldering ruins of buildings.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.